How capital punishment is done in Tennessee is now in the hands of the state Supreme Court. Today, attorneys representing 33 death row inmates argued the current lethal injection process is unconstitutional. News Channel 5's Jessica Knutson was in the courtroom and has details.
The Honorable Supreme Court of
In the court of law, it's not a judge's job to make laws, but to decide what is constitutional and what is not. Today, the question surrounded the methods used in Tennessee to execute someone on death row.
You cannot perform a lawful act in an unlawful manner.
As it stands now, Tennesseans sentenced to death for offenses committed from 1999 to present day are put to death by lethal injection. But attorneys representing 33 death row inmates argued that the method is unlawful under the 8th Amendment, arguing cruel and unusual punishment.
Which is more important under the 8th Amendment? Is it more important to be fast, or is it more important to be painless?
Tennessee has only had 5 executions in the past decade, but in other states, it has been found that the drug used in lethal injections can take upwards of an hour before someone is officially declared dead, even though the person is unconscious after less than a minute.
Lethal injection is recognized as the most humane method of execution.
The defense, representing the state, argued that the plaintiffs had no alternative to offer, and because executions are legal in the United States, there needs to be a way to carry them out.
The United States Supreme Court has said repeatedly that the death penalty is constitutional in this country.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't it follow there has to be some constitutional method to carry it out? Aren't you making it impossible to execute these type sentences?
It's now up to the 5 members of the Tennessee Supreme Court to decide whether protocols surrounding lethal injection are legal or whether Tennessee needs to find an alternative when it comes to the death penalty. In Nashville, Jessica Knutson, News Channel 5.
In Tennessee, those who committed the crime that put them on death row before 1999 are entitled to choose whether they want lethal injection or the electric chair.